relation between dollar and Bitcoin, the connection between dollar and Bitcoin, and the link between dollar and Bitcoin. Yes, here is a deep relation or the connection or the link between dollar and Bitcoin, because dollar and Bitcoin both are created by Antichrist Dajjal. So this fellow Antichrist Dajjal will do with his strategy and awesome deception technique without knowing you working for him. And Antichrist Dajjal has a PhD in deception. Bitcoin is the another weapon of Antichrist Dajjal to bring down the monetary system. The government of the United States of America cannot stop them, or the powerful banking system around the world cannot stop them. The Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency came in the end times for a particular reason, to destabilize the dollar. Those are the fundamental things we get from the Islamic eschatology, simply another form of electronic money. So we see the movement of tangible to intangible money, from the visible to invisible. We all know the dollar are in a ICU. We are moving into the final phase of battle of currencies. Number 1. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or the single administrator, that can be sent from user to user or the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediators. 2022, the Bitcoin flying high to fall from sky. Bitcoin has seen a meteoric climb since March, following the announcement made by online payment giant PayPal, who said it would enable account holders to use the cryptocurrency. The value of Bitcoin stood at around $5,000 in March, and it has increased 400% in the last 8 months. Number 2. How Bitcoin came in the market. What is the role Bitcoin playing at this time? If you know the past, if you know the present, you can anticipate what is coming tomorrow. They begin with paper money, then they move to electronic money. Now we are in cryptocurrency. The difference between electronic money and the new form of electronic money, the normal electronic money still have the government control over it and control over the banking system. Example, dollar is now electronic money, but the US government have control over it, like others money in the world, also controlled by the government, as well as banking system still control the normal electronic money. Then comes the new form of electronic money, and its form of electronic money make Russia smile, make China smile, make Iran smile, make Venezuela joyful shout. But these are always the target of the Antichrist Dajjal. So how they will happy? Why would the new form of money cause the target of the attack be so happy? The answer is the cryptocurrency appear, or perhaps actually are outside of the government control and outside of the IMF control. As a consequence, allow the targets are being suffering because of this dollar hegemony or the monetary attack on them to get some relief, and so then welcome the cryptocurrency. The electronic money has the private origin rather than the public origin, so it's privately maintained outside of the banking system. So its private money is strange, right? It's never happened like private money or public money. Even we never had this term in the monetary system. Number 3. Can Bitcoin replace the dollar? 2022. Can Bitcoin replace the dollar hegemony? It's my opinion, yes. I will explain, and I already uploaded a video. Can Bitcoin replace the dollar in 2022? Please watch that video. Bitcoin replaced the dollar or cryptocurrency, which is outside of the government control and outside of the banking system control. This is the another weapon of Antichrist Dajjal to bring down the monetary system. The government of the United States of America cannot stop them, or the powerful banking system around the world cannot stop them. The Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency came in the end times for a particular reason, to destabilize the dollar. Number 4. The future plan of dollars. This is not the first time someone came after dollar. So many people, so many leaders came, but they all failed. Why? Because all of this is grand design plan of Antichrist Dajjal. Now the Antichrist Dajjal wants himself to demonetize dollar. That's why the leader of the world will be succeed. If you read the history of dollar, you see the plan of Antichrist Dajjal, and the time will come. He will destroy the bubble, and now the time has come to blast the bubble of dollar. So Antichrist Dajjal created Bitcoin, where the target are happy to. Why? Because target don't know about this. Gog and Magog are working for Antichrist Dajjal, and the Gog and Magog always give alternative way. That's how they deceive people. Bitcoin is the plan to demonetize dollar. Why? Because Bitcoin has control outside of the banking system, outside of the government. So when all mankind accept the Bitcoin, Antichrist Dajjal demonetize dollar. Number 5. China and Russia against dollar. For example, China said to Saudi Arabia, we will buy your oil with Chinese currency yuan, and we will offer to you redeemable with gold exchange. The yuan but related market price of gold, so there is no violation of the agreement article of the IMF, and the powerful force is working with China and Russia to challenge the monetary system. Using the gold, Russian President Vladimir Putin has warned, and the new Russia and the China gold standard bill certain death of the US dollar. Not only China, Russia deal against dollar. Brexit is the another plan of Antichrist Dajjal to deceive people around the world. Pax Judica could not come into being without Pax Britannica or Pax Americana. So there is a magical relation between the America and the Britain, but doesn't have the magical relation with Europe. Britain is more alliance with America rather than the Europe. Brexit is means to disengage Britain in some way from the European embrace in order to reposition Britain with primary alliance with Antichrist Dajjal. Number 6. If dollar collapse, what will happen? When US dollar collapse, will bring down the whole world's paper money, will be disappear, will be replacing with electronic money or digital money, which is more danger than the same people giving us the paper money to reaping us are the same people giving us now electronic money, and they plan for tomorrow the cryptocurrency or the Bitcoin. You can't drag a hole and buried the electronic money and build the world on the top of it, like Quran explained about it in Surah Al-Kahf. Quran warned us about this incident will take place at the end times. So these are the possible connection linked between dollar and Bitcoin. Dollar and Bitcoin